Let me show you on what would happen. So I'm going to save my Word document by clicking Save. After, I will close it. Now I will make some changes in my Excel document. Let's change 6,000 for 5,000. And also change here the name. Let's write Garcia seconds. Again, click on Save. And now I'm going to open my Word document. I am opening it and I can see that I have received such message. This document contains links that may refer to other files, which could be a security risk. Do you want to update this document with data from the linked files? So I click on Yes. And my document was automatically updated. Now, after you have saved it, you can change up here any values you require and they will be automatically changed in your Word document. Perfect.